Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food. Today we are going to make a very quick and easy breakfast recipe. Now see here there are two medium-sized potatoes that I have boiled and mashed nicely. Just mash it nicely so that there are no lumps. Now into that I will put in 3/4 teaspoon of salt, about half teaspoon of chili powder, and a little pepper. Now mash it nicely so that there are no lumps. Break 2 eggs into it. Mix it nicely. If you want, you can even mix it in the blender to get a smooth consistency. Now, 3/4 cup of milk, room temperature milk. Now these pancakes are very soft, so you have to be a little careful when you're making it. They are very soft to touch. When you're turning them also, you have to be a little careful. And add in about half cup of all-purpose flour. If you want it a little thin, then you can add in a little more milk. That will depend. I think I'll need a little bit of more salt into it. So I'll just put in a little salt and put in about half a tablespoon of oil to give it that softness. Add in some green chilies. 1 onion, big onion chopped, some garlic chopped, the pan is hot, so I will just put in little butter. I like to make my pancakes with butter. Now this is personal choice. If you want to make it with oil, I think you can do it. There's no problem. Put in some coriander leaves. I'll add in a little oil also. Just a little oil. It's easier to flip over. Now I will make 3 small pancakes. I want them to be a little thick. I'll increase my heat. just want to see. No, it'll take a little more time to cook. Cover it a little. It helps to set. It will set faster. I'll remove the cover. Now flipping them, you have to be a little very careful. So a few minutes more and your pancakes are going to be ready. Potato pancakes will be ready, or pancake or crepes, whatever you want to call them. Crepes of course are a little on the thin side. So if you want to make them thin, just add a little more of milk. You'll get a flowing consistency. Just let me check the other side if it's done. Yes, they are done. So we can just switch off our gas and we'll just plate it out. They're very tasty, friends. Do try them. Your pancakes are ready. Serve it with some mint chutney and some sauce. Do try it and let us know, friends. Bye for now.